Don't worry about a thing with the Jamestown Suns Easy Pay plan. Just $11 per month anywhere in North Dakota. Nothing is as easy as Easy Pay. Call our office at 701-252-3120. That's 701-252-3120 for more details or to sign up.
I went to his website and the form.
He's my cousin.
Yeah, I saw that in the email. The form is run, or actually Grand Forks Herald, they own the Sun and the form and all them is doing it, so there's not much I can.
We're trying to get extra publicity.
Always wanted to try and drive Did you? You were up there? Always thought of Scottish Highland. I don't know how trainable they are or anything like that, but that'd make it interesting.